Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh kepada Hafiz. Nama saya Awang Muhammad Syaiful bin Awang Kalang. Nombor pendaftaran 20 DII 19F2003 dari kelas DII 2A. Saya akan membentangkan practical walk 2 yaitu selection statement. Part A. Define control statement. Answer is a control statement is a statement that determines whether other statements will be executed and if statement decides whether to execute another statement or decides which of two statements to execute. A loop decides how many times to execute another statement. List the type of control statement. First, decision making statement. Second, selection statement. Third, iteration statement. Fourth, jump statement. Define selection statement. Selection statement allow a program to test several conditions and execute instruction based on which condition is true. That is why selection statements are also referred to as conditional statement. List selection statement. Selection statement, if and switch. Iteration statement, while, do, and for. Jump statement, break, continue, and go to. Return also belongs in this category. Several of C statement must be the value of an expression to see if it is true or false. Expression to see if it is true or false. Define if statement. An if statement is a programming conditional statement that if prove true, perform a function or display information. Below is a general example of an if statement, not specific to any particular programming language. Define if-else statement. An if-else statement in programming is a conditional statement that runs a different set of statements depending on whether an expression is true or false. In this case, with the variable x being equal to the number 1, the statement in the first set of curly braces is executed. Define switch statement. In computer programming language, a switch statement is a type of selection control mechanism used to allow the value of a variable or expression to change the control flow of program execution via search and map. Write the syntax for simple if statement. If bracket score equal to 50, print f bracket pass. Flowchart for if statement. We start with score 50 and true or yes, false or no, display pass, and end. And write the syntax for if-else statement. Answer: if bracket condition, do this if condition is true if true statement, else do this if condition is fake if false statement. Draw flowchart for if-else statement. Start condition, if true statement, if false statement, and end. Write the syntax for switch statement. Switch bracket expression, case constant 1 statement break, case constant 2 statement break, default statement. And this a flow chart. Single expression equals to case constant 1 to code block 1 is yes, to equals to case constant 2, code block 2 equals to case constant 3, code block 3 default code. Part B, practical work at laboratory. Practical assignment 1 is fixed program to calculate series and parallel circuit. This is a series circuit and this a parallel circuit. Find an errors and correct the program to illustrate the working of if-else statement to calculate the total resistance for series and parallel circuit. Get the output after fix all errors. Seperti kesalahan di sini ialah dia tertinggal studio.h di sini. I initial main I float series circuit. If selection dia menggunakan huruf ke besar dan parallel pun dia gunakan huruf besar, so saya tukar kepada huruf kecil seperti yang di sebelah sini. So saya copy semuanya. Dan dia suruh saya pilih circuit di sini. Dan jawapannya ialah total resistance 948349424 ohm untuk dia punya total resistance. Sebab mengikut apa yang sudah diberikan. Dan practical assignment 2 is complete program. Seperti yang saya telah buat kita cuba run.